However, we have to point out that we have room for improvement and we have more to do in the other areas, in the sciences, especially the STEM subjects. I need to point out, in terms of performance, individual performance by gender, that when you look at the total overall examination result, female candidates have performed better than male candidates. Actually, truth be told, in 6 subjects particularly, singularly in each of the 6 subjects, female candidates have performed way better than male candidates. And when I start telling you the schools that have done, come out outstandingly, you will notice that the bulk of the schools that have done very well are also girls' schools. So we're grateful, but my colleagues told me to single out schools that have excelled and done well. Alliance Girls performed very well. They have showed a measure of consistency in their performance. Kenya High, but the one that has impressed all of us most is Pangani Girls.